Hey up Woodlanders, it's day 4 of the Great Big Green Week. This year it's all about swaps or swapping or sharing, and we may feel we haven't really got an awful lot to swap and share, but if nothing else I wanted to encourage you to think about ways that you can swap and share your time. Time is one of the most valuable and precious things that we have. It's one of the things that I find personally very difficult to manage. But how could we share or swap our time and benefit nature while we're doing it? It could be that we could support someone who's doing some work in that outdoor world who does their best to support nature. So if we can support them, then indirectly we're helping to stand up for nature. But it could be we can have more of a direct involvement. That could mean joining a local group that does volunteer work, and the work those volunteers do can directly impact the environment around them. I've got links with a Heartwood Woodland group, and they actively manage local woodlands in the National Forest, partly for the wood fuel they get from it, but also because of the benefits of being outdoors, the physical activity, and just feeling like they can do their best for nature and to stand up for nature in this local area by doing woodland management. There may be similar volunteer groups near you, whether that be woodland, outdoor spaces, or maybe they work to support wildlife and habitat management. So if you're able to, why not swap and share your precious time? Join a volunteer group near you that looks after outdoor spaces, or if you can't do that, try and support someone that already does that and help them to help nature. Stand up for nature as part of the Great Big Green Week, and I'll see you on the next one.